Hello po Ma'am Kay, my name is Cristiano Ingiamat. I am representing my group as a solo member. So I'm presenting my business proposal, and the title or the name of my business is Interventional Convenience, meaning a cooperating business market about selling foods and other importances of the people who are in need. Let's go to the next slide. So currently, our food business is about selling a delicacy from Negros Occidental from Talisay City, which is Piyaya. Location. The location of our business is currently on Tacloban City, Nolatola. Yes. Mission. Aiming for success and convenience, expressing great gratitude as a thank you for our beloved customers. Meaning, thanking them for helping us or buying one of our products as a gratitude of thank you, because it's a big help for us for them buying. It makes our market or business more popular or more convenient. Vision. Mainly focusing on one goal, which is increasing popularity and strength for the business and the future of our business. Meaning, maintaining high and good quality improves our business goal. Unique selling proposition or USP. Our business is currently selling one of the finest delicacies on the Philippines, which is Piyaya, as I mentioned earlier. Value proposition. Preparing is one of the most important doings to do because of preparing the products that you need to sell and improving the quality. Proposing a business strategy of complying a fair price that is affordable for the customers. Meaning, if we comply a affordable price, meaning more customers will interpret to buy our products because it's more cheap and better quality. Improving our stance or the place that we hold our businesses to succeed. It attracts the eye of the person so that it may come over and be interested in buying a specific product. Meaning, if our business stands are looking good and big, people will come over and be interested in buying our products. Revenue streams, being on high quality products at the same time a fair price. Fair prices are one of the most what customers are looking for. At the same time, high quality products. Maintaining this can improve our business. Key resources. Hiring professionals for better quality of the products needed to be served for the customers. Professional chefs are needed for better quality of the food that are being served for the customers. Hiring staffs to organize the materials needed to create the products that are needed, such as the deliverer of the materials or ingredients. So, if we have staffs to be hired, it can make our business proposal easier because the more the more the people helps us, the more staffs complies on our business, it will be more easier to do the task. Physical resources. Cooking resources are important for cooking. Proper cooking equipment are needed to cook properly and safely. So, Not just the food are on high quality, even the cooking utensils or equipments are needed to be had on high quality so that we can cook better and it will be more safe to use. Technology. One of the most important things to be used on selling because technology is needed because of research and food delivery. Mobile phones are currently needed for food deliverers to deliver the product to a customer's location. So meaning if a person can't walk into our business proposal or our business area, we provide delivery, such as delivering what they desire to buy, so that it will be more easier for them. Key activities. If the customers cannot reach onto our business location, then we bring it to them by delivering the products that are ordered by the customers. So, delivering the products are one of the customer strategy because if they're not going out to buy our products, then we bring it to them. So we provide delivery. Cost structure. We provide high quality ingredients for customers that are looking for a high good quality product that they are willing to buy. Sometimes the materials are expensive, but we still make a fair price so that the customers will be satisfied of our service and quality of our product. So, if we maintain a good price, more people will come and buy more of our products, succeeding to success, increasing our profits and business growth strategy. Our growth strategy is to maintain a good and high quality products growing businesses includes growing economies such as expanding the area of your business location and higher quality. So increasing it will increase your business growth. And that's all. Thank you for listening. Thank you.